Join me as I dive into the world of car diagnostics and see if I can master the ScanGauge 3 with all its Wi-Fi updates and customizable gauges. The ScanGauge 3 is making waves in the automotive world with its cutting-edge features. This device isn't just about reading engine codes, it's about giving you a deeper understanding of your vehicle's performance. With Wi-Fi updates, you stay current with the latest software, ensuring you get the most out of your device. Plus, the customizable gauges let you monitor exactly what you want, in real time. Traditional diagnostic tools can be frustrating. They're often complicated, showing you codes that mean little without a degree in mechanics. You might find yourself lost in a sea of data, unsure what to focus on. And when you finally think you've found the issue, you're left with more questions than answers. How do you fix it? What are the long-term effects? These tools usually give you a narrow view, not the full picture. Another limitation is that many tools require you to be tech-savvy. They're not user-friendly, making it hard for the average car owner to understand what's going on. And let's not forget the hassle of having to update your device manually. This can be a real pain, especially if you're not sure how to do it or if you're not comfortable with technology. Some tools also require you to carry around extra equipment or cables, which can be bulky and inconvenient. You might end up with a garage full of gadgets, each one promising to solve your diagnostic needs but actually just adding to the clutter. The complexity of traditional tools can also lead to misdiagnoses. Without a clear understanding of what you're looking at, it's easy to misinterpret data. This can lead to unnecessary repairs or, worse, overlooking a serious issue. ScanGauge 3 changes the game with its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a car expert to use it, the device guides you through the process. With real-time data monitoring, you can see exactly what's happening with your vehicle. And with Wi-Fi updates, you're always up to date without the hassle. The customizable gauges are a huge plus. Want to keep an eye on your engine's temperature, oil pressure, or fuel efficiency? You can set it up to show you exactly that. This level of customization ensures you're monitoring what's most important to you. ScanGauge 3 also shines with its ease of use. You can quickly and easily connect it to your vehicle and start monitoring. The device is compact and doesn't require a lot of extra equipment. It's designed to be straightforward, so you can focus on what matters, your vehicle. But don't just take my word for it. There are plenty of car owners who've seen a real difference with ScanGauge 3. For instance, one user reported being able to diagnose a tricky issue that had been plaguing them for months. With the ScanGauge 3, they were able to pinpoint the problem and fix it, saving them a lot of time and money. This user found the device incredibly easy to use and appreciated the real-time data. They were able to monitor their vehicle's performance and make adjustments as needed. The Wi-Fi updates have also been a game changer, keeping their device current without any hassle. The transformative impact of ScanGauge 3 isn't just about solving problems, it's about the peace of mind that comes with it. Car owners can drive knowing they have a clear understanding of their vehicle's health. Another benefit is the community around ScanGauge 3. Users share their experiences and tips, creating a supportive environment. This can be incredibly valuable for those who are new to car diagnostics. In summary, ScanGauge 3 is a powerful tool that offers a lot for car owners. With its Wi-Fi updates, customizable gauges, and user-friendly interface, it's a step above traditional diagnostic tools. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just looking to understand your vehicle better, ScanGauge 3 can help. Have you had any experiences with car diagnostics that you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more videos on automotive tools and tips, check out this other video for some great insights. 3 all-new touchscreen OBD2 code reader, digital gauges and trip computer with Wi-Fi updates SG3. Brand ScanGauge. Product dimensions 5L x 1 inch wide by 3.2 inches high. Operating system ScanGauge OS display resolution 480 by 272. Capacitive touch display with 16 million colors. Free wireless updates. Visual and audible alarms. Up to 9 gauges displayed at once with multiple pages for favorites. Read and clear check engine light. Compatible with all 1996 and newer cars and light trucks with 16-pin plug OBD2 plug. ScanGauge 3, Advanced Vehicle Monitoring and Diagnostics. The ScanGauge 3 is an advanced diagnostic tool that provides real-time monitoring of your vehicle's vital systems. With its intuitive touchscreen display and built-in digital gauges, you can easily track important data like fuel efficiency, engine performance, and trouble codes. Stay informed and optimize your driving experience with this compact and user-friendly device. No app needed. Monitor your vehicle effortlessly with ScanGauge 3, no app required. Its plug-and-play gauge display delivers real-time data like fuel efficiency and engine performance straight to your dashboard. No smartphone or Bluetooth needed. ScanGauge 3 offers simplicity and reliability for drivers who value both. With a user-friendly interface and automatic protocol detection, it works seamlessly with most vehicles, no tools or batteries required. Enjoy professional-grade diagnostics without the hassle of app downloads or phone dependency. Drive smarter with ScanGauge 3, always ready when you are. MPG Ring SG3. No subscription fee. Drive without worry with ScanGauge 3, no ongoing costs. Unlike other scanners, it offers full features and updates at no extra charge. Get real-time monitoring and diagnostics right out of the box with a standalone gauge display. No smartphone or extra services needed. ScanGauge 3 delivers professional-grade OBD2 insights with ease. Its user-friendly interface and automatic protocol detection ensure compatibility with most vehicles. Save money and avoid recurring payments with a one-time investment for lasting value. Monitor fuel efficiency and performance with ScanGauge 3, your cost-effective solution for smart driving. SG3 in use. Real-time data. Get instant insights with ScanGauge 3's real-time data. Monitor fuel efficiency, speed, RPMs, and more on its clear gauge screen with no delays. Live updates help you optimize driving and diagnose issues on the go. No apps needed. ScanGauge 3's user-friendly interface lets you customize metrics like coolant temperature or boost pressure. Automatic protocol detection ensures compatibility with most vehicles for accurate data every time. Drive confidently with a reliable OBD2 gauge that keeps you informed, mile after mile. ScanGauge 3, your go-to for precision monitoring. SG3 gauge screen. Made and supported in Arizona. Choose quality with ScanGauge 3, made and supported in Arizona, USA. Crafted with care in the Southwest, each device ensures durability and precision. Our Arizona team upholds high standards for reliable OBD2 monitoring. Plus, we offer dedicated support right from Arizona, ready to assist with setup or troubleshooting via call or email. With ScanGauge 3, you support American innovation and gain confidence in a product backed by experts. Drive without worry knowing your ScanGauge is built to last and supported by a team committed to your satisfaction. The ScanGauge 3 is an advanced touchscreen OBD2 code reader designed to elevate your vehicle monitoring and diagnostics experience. Measuring 5L x 1 inch wide by 3.2 inches high, this compact device boasts a vibrant capacitive touch display with 16 million colors and a resolution of 480 by 272, making it easy to read and navigate. Compatible with all 1996 and newer cars and light trucks featuring a 16-pin OBD2 plug, the ScanGauge 3 requires no apps or additional tools. Simply plug it in for real-time monitoring of vital data such as fuel efficiency, engine performance, and trouble codes. With the ability to display up to 9 gauges at once and a feature allowing for visual and audible alarms, it offers comprehensive insights without any ongoing subscription fees. Crafted and supported in Arizona, ScanGauge 3 not only stands up to high standards of quality and durability but also provides dedicated customer support. Experience professional-grade diagnostics and drive smarter with the convenience and reliability of ScanGauge 3, the ideal companion for any driver looking to optimize their vehicle's performance.